water park. Yay! We're gonna go water park. That's what we're gonna go do. We're gonna go water park.
All right, let's go. So we are at Legoland. We're gonna show you the water park here. It's kind of a hike, so be prepared to walk. If the mini city is open, I would go through that way. That's the quickest way. And we also just celebrated Legoland's 10th birthday, so I will link that video down below. That was a really fun celebration. It is a Friday afternoon. Everything is 10 minutes. So even on Fridays, it's not too bad. They were building this when we did the fire weekend, the Heroes weekend. I had no clue it was this. Yeah, it's cute.
That is cute.
Now you have the ice cream and then driving school, and to get to the water park, you're gonna make a left where this blue building is. And it's gonna be up the ramp. And then they also have Cabanas as well, but we've never done that, so I don't think you really need to. I would just recommend getting a locker. Okay, so they have a burger, fish and chips, hot dog, and chicken tenders. Like 12 bucks for a meal, $7.50, not bad. Seems a little bit cheaper than Disney. All right, they're gonna wanna go in this, so we're gonna get ready. So the kids love this little slide over here. They usually go up the ramp and down the slide over and over. This pool is nice because it's not very deep and good for the kids. Good job. We got a cheeseburger and fries and chicken tenders and fries. We're gonna try it.
That looks so good.
They got everything on it.
Yeah, for like 10 to 12 bucks. I mean, for a theme park, not bad. The fries are decent. The chicken is a little bit dry, and the hamburger is a little bit dry.
No.
It's not dry.
Just those I said were dry.
Just the chicken.
I said this actually tastes pretty good.
Okay. So we'd recommend maybe the burger, but the kids like the chicken, so. So they have a taco place over here we've actually never seen open, and then they have a building station maybe we'll check out later. So we're gonna go in the wave pool. There is the Joker Soaker too. Hi, buddy.
Come on, before time runs out. Hi, buddy.
Swimming. Good job, buddy. You're swimming, buddy. Good job.
Doing pretty good.
Good job, buddy. Now you can see it.
Ready?
It's cold. Got it? Watch your mouth. It's like little waves. You're a shark? And this boy loves water.
Yeah, he does. Keep your mouth closed.
Are you floating? Hold on to me. It's okay? Are you having fun?
Yay!
Yeah, you're gonna like it. Oh my gosh, it's cold. Do you remember how to you have to get up there to go on the slide? Alright, come on, Daddy. Come on. If I'm gonna suffer, you're gonna suffer. That's what marriage is about. Oh my gosh. It's cold! It's cold! Oh! It's cold! Not that one? Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Oh, why isn't this water warm? Where are you going? Yeah, I like that better. Oh, that one's blocked off, I think. Oh no! Oh, it's cold!
Now go down there.
Nope. Daddy, buddy! Ah! Ah! It's alright. Looks like there's still no one on the lazy river yet. But there's a couple other slides over here. Two tube ones. Get her, get her! Is that fun? Okay. Ready?
We saw these cabanas in the Joker Soaker area, and the prices were listed at the front when we entered. It seems like if you're going to be here all day and we want to be in the shade, it's a good option, but for us it's usually just a few hours and a locker really is sufficient.
You want to go over there?
Yeah.
He's so silly.
We're gonna go on there right now.
Yeah, let's go! 2 slides over here and then 2 raft ones over here. You have to go get your tubes first and then get in line. So there's 2. The blue one looks more tame and the other one has a big drop. And then we're going to get our tubes. They got single and double. Last time we were here there was a line. So it seems like October is the best time to come to this place. Summer was packed. 42 inches and kids under 48 have to wear a life vest. Alright, we're in line. Get the wave pool. Joker Soaker. Hold on. Woohoo! Where are we going? Oh, now we can see. Now we can see.
Was that fun, guys? Did you bump your head?
No, she didn't bump her head. Was that fun, buddy? All right. Stay back.
I won.
You went first. Okay, get back.
Yeah, you have to get one.
Okay. Alright, so it looks like you get a dock, a boat dock. Return them here. Can you build a boat?
Build your boat. Right here, buddy.
Both of you can use it.
Can you go up there?
And put it down.
You let it go. Ready?
Whoa! That's cool, buddy. You're welcome. Go ahead. There's buddy. Your boat.
Here, Pumpkin, there's our crazy boat.
I like it. Good job, buddy. Alright, Darius got a pirate ship. See how well it does. Let's see who wins.
The arms and head.
Alright. Hold on, wait for Buddy and Daddy. 2, 1, go! Oh! I think Buddy Boy won! Buddy Boy! Buddy Boy won! Well, that was awesome. That was still super cool. Now people are back in the lazy river. We're gonna skip it today. But it's a fun little river. You just basically get sprayed. They had to clean it earlier for an incident. And then it's just back up front. I'm gonna go to locker to get my camera.
Stay up and subscribe for more videos. Get to escape. This is our channel. Subscribe for more videos. And subscribe.